True growth begins in silence and self-awareness.
This performance reflects the inner journey of thoughts, emotions, and identity, reminding us that Udan is not always outward flight, but also inward discovery.
Now, as Udan turns inward, let us explore the journey of self and reflection.
A mirror does not show our face only, it reflects who we are inside. This performance explores the conversation between reflection and movement, between stillness and expression. As dance meets its mirror image, we see identity, emotion, self discovery unfold on the stage. It is a reminder that every rhythm we move to is shaped by our inner reflection, rooted in the spirit of India. This performance is presented to us by students of class 4, Nehal, Arman, Imad, Ahil, Anas, Deepak, Arav, Umar Sharif, Bhanu Prakash, Kartikeya, Ashwat, Abdul Mutahir, Mohammad Faizan, Hifzur Rahman, Ryan, Tanush Reddy, Siddiq, Akhil, Vishnu Sai, Eshu Saket, Abu Bakar, Sufyan, Harshvardhan. So ladies and gentlemen, first time on the stage of Dominic's, the children presenting a mirror reflection dance.
Our mirrors are our mediums of admiration. The mirror smiles, and so does the one who looks within it. Every moment, every glance. A celebration of perfection, beauty, and grace.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. Hey, you burn me up, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, you burn me down, you burn me up, believer, believer.
रूह से बहती हुई धुन ये इशारे दे, कुछ मेरे राज तेरे राज आवारा से खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ, रंग सा ये जहाँ टेढ़े मेढ़े रास्ते हैं, जादुई मारते हैं, मैं भी हूँ तू भी है यहाँ। खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ।
खो गए हम कहाँ, रंगों सा ये जहाँ खो गए हम कहाँ।
Our mirrors are our mediums of admiration. The mirror smiles, and so does the one who looks with.
रंगों सा ये जहां
When all seems lost, when the image fades away, what remains is not what the world can see, but what the heart dares to feel. The mirror no longer defines us, for beauty was never in the glass. It was always in the fire within. From within the broken glass, the true reflection emerges.
खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खूटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके आसमां का शाम आना आज हमें है सजाना क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है झम से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही ओ, क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू
In every reflection, there lies a deeper truth. Beauty fades, perfection shatters, but the spirit within endures. Each one of us carries a mirror, some cracked, some clouded, yet each capable of light. The journey is not to perfect the reflection, but to embrace it. Every scar, every shadow, every spark. Look within, for there lies your strength, your beauty, your courage to begin again. Your reflection, the reflection within.